Hello there, it's me, your Shinoj sir, and it's my extreme pleasure to welcome you to this stylish world of phonetic sounds and symbols. What is the latest buzz in your world, dear children? Are you all able to articulate and demonstrate the given sounds perfectly? I hope so. Dear students, today we are going to look at two different sounds. Have you ever seen these symbols? Maybe or maybe not, right? Dear children, now let me give you some examples and try to identify these sounds. Look at these words: apple, apple, van, van, sat, sat. You see how is this A or the letter A is pronounced? Apple, apple. Therefore, this symbol is symbolizing the sound A. And look at the word van, the same sound, V-A-N, van, A. S-A-T, sat. Again, this sound is coming. And dear students, this is the sound that I've written here, okay? And this particular symbol is symbolizing the sound A. Now let's see few other examples. Up, under, umbrella, up. And this is the symbol of the sound up. Mouth is open, okay? Up, umbrella, up. So dear students, these are the sounds that we are going to concentrate now. Dear students, please have a look at the mind map of the lesson, of the sounds, of the vowel sounds A and A. Okay? Now, these sounds have a big mouth formation. Earlier, we have learned that they have got a bigger mouth formation. Now, they have got a very big mouth formation. For example, we say A. And when we have learned the sound we had a slightly different, shorter mouth formation. And when we have learned the sound E, we have got the shortest mouth formation, right? And now here we have got the biggest mouth formation of all, the vowel sounds, as in A and A. Okay, A, apple, cat. Now, again, look at this sound. It's a bit shorter. Okay, up, umbrella, right? And both of these sounds are coming from the back of the mouth. Up, back of the mouth. When we have learned the sound we have learned that they are coming from the middle of the mouth, right? And look at these sounds again. A and up, back of the mouth, right? Yes, the sounds are coming from the back of the mouth. Dear students, this is the mind map of the lesson. Both of these sounds are vowel sounds, okay? And these are the symbols of the sounds. They have got the biggest mouth formation, or we can say they have the mouth position or the formation of the mouth is big and the sounds are coming from the back of the mouth. Dear students, now again I'm here with some of the examples. Look at the first sound. It is a, and I've given you some variety of examples, some different examples. Okay, a as in tap, a as in lap, a as in add, a as in dad, and a as in damage. Dear students, now let's have a look at the second sound. As in bus, as in under, as in wonder, as in fun, and as in fund. Dear students, once again understand these sounds and repeat the sounds after me. Okay? Once again, a, tap, lap, add, dad, and damage, and bus, under, wonder, fun, and fund. Dear students, please have a look at the activity. Okay, now we are going to do the activity of pairing with the sound a. Cancel, candy. We are giving stress on k. Okay, bat, mat, sat, fat, lap, slap. Yes, once again, cancel, candy, bat, mat, sat, fat, lap, and slap. Everywhere we can see this a is repeatedly pronounced as a. Dear students, we are here with the last activity, that is the pairing activity with the sound a. Dear students, look at the following examples. First example, stuck, struck, and look at the second one, cut, uncut. Third, love, lovely. Fourth, bump, hump. Now dear students, once again look at these examples. Stuck. Look at the underlined letter a. This U is pronounced as a, stuck. And again, look at this example. This U is pronounced as a, struck. Now, look at cut, cut, uncut, uncut. Look at the next one, love, lovely, love, love, lovely, Look at the last one, bump, hump. Dear students, now it's your duty to send me a video on both of the sounds and send it to your WhatsApp digital classroom. That's it, dear students. Bye and have a nice day.